Hi guys, how you doing? I'm gonna show you how to repair a leak that it comes from the air conditioning unit. We had this trailer is 8730 feet. We had to scrap everything because the leak, it gets the wood very rotten. So we have more work to do. But anyways, back to the point. We have plastic. We use any plastic that you find on any sign or anything that you can like cover this hole. If you have a skylight, that's going to be perfect. We use plastic in this case. Sometimes this piece of wood, they get very soft, or sometimes they don't have any piece of wood, so you have to replace it because the level of the roof is going down. So when you have an air conditioning right here, we don't want to put the air conditioning, obviously just gonna have like a skylight, but the air conditioning is very heavy, so it push down this piece of wood. I'm gonna show you like right here. Okay, right here we took the air conditioning. I'm sorry we don't have a video for remove the air conditioning, but I assume it's like 4 bolts that you unscrew with the wrench, and this is what I'm talking about right here. You see it's no wood, so we have to replace this with a new one. All right, this is okay, this is okay right here. But you see, so this, if we put something right here, or if you put back the air conditioning, this is going to be down, so you have to replace that piece of wood. Put plywood, anything you think that is going to fit right there. All right, I'm going to show you what we're going to use. Right on top of the trailer, we're going to use a thinner. I found this. I have a little bit, it's very old, but still working. We have scissors, and we have Ultra Bond tape. We're going to cut that tape with the scissors in half, and we also going to use all-purpose silicone. All right, so step one, you're gonna clean right on top with the thinner. Then when you clean, you put silicone, then you put the plastic, and then you put the Ultra Bond. All right, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna show you. This is the piece of plastic that we're gonna use. I have a skylight, but I'm gonna use it for another purpose. So I'm gonna cut it with the saw. All right, I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be done. All right, let me see. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, the other side. Right, perfect. Yeah, I was square right here. Okay, I'm going to the roof. We're gonna use the other two materials, and I'm gonna try to show you how everything came out. All right. Okay. I'm right over here, right on top. That's the old air conditioning. That's the top. This is the hole right over here. That's the piece of plastic that we just cut. We're here on the roof. We have all that wood. We, gonna use it for another purpose. We had this shed right here. We use the Ultra Bond. That's a really good tape. It's amazing. That tape, doesn't let any leaks get through. We're gonna paint this. We're gonna cover it up, and we're gonna finish fixing it. All right, back to this job. So first step, sweep. Second step, we're gonna clean with the thinner. Third step, we're gonna put the silicone all over around, and we're gonna place the plastic on top, and then the tape cut it in half. We did something right over here already. This is the final product right here. All right, you see right there, that's the tape, and it's gonna be no leaks right over there. All right, okay guys, I hope this video is gonna help anybody. I'm just gonna pause it and show you, step by step how we're gonna do this. Okay, thinner, rack, more thinner, right.